Prepping your skin is essential for your makeup to not only really look flawless, it'll help with the way your makeup's gonna sit on your skin and also how long it's going to last. So I thought I should share with you guys how I prep my skin before makeup application. So let's get into it. First thing is first, what you wanna do is make sure you're cleansing your skin. To get us started, what you wanna do is cleanse your skin in the morning. So I use a micellar cleansing water. What you wanna do is get yourself a really nice, clean canvas. Next thing I want to do is I use a facial toner, and this is the Thayer's facial toner. You want to kind of twist it and kind of get right into the congested areas. And now you're more than welcome to use your daily skin routine that you have. So you might be using like a vitamin C, your serums or any oils. Go ahead and do that. And make sure your hands are clean, guys, more than ever now. And I'm just going to apply my moisturizer. And I am using Vitamin E moisturizer by Body Shop. Make sure you apply your sunscreen right after your moisturizer, meaning you're gonna leave the moisturizer on for a minute and then you apply your sunscreen. So next thing we're gonna do is we are going to prime our skin, and I'm going to use my Becca First Light Primer, and this is going to give me a really nice dewy finish. So now that we have that on, I usually do my eye cream last because I want to make sure it gets the most hydration and it stays on. And grab some of my brightening eye cream by Ole Henriksen, and I'm just going to pat this underneath my eyes. And again, everyone's skin is different. Everyone's, what they're trying to achieve is different. So you can assess your skin needs and follow that. That's it. Okay, so my skin is prepped and ready for foundation application. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to prep your skin before foundation application. I will see you guys next time.